Hello and welcome to Backpage of Martin. Welcome to an oldie-timey video projector. I get to build this thing out of wooden kit, and it says no batteries required. I don't understand how it's going to work then, unless it's some sort of dynamo when you turn the handle. It'd be interesting to find out how it actually works, but it does actually project a movie onto the wall. Shall we have a look what's inside the box? Yeah, let's open it up. Alright, so as always we get a detailed instruction manual which goes into detail about how the different pieces go together, like their B2 and D5 gets attached to whatever you built before that process, and they're very easy to follow. Oh, I do like this, the smell. You're not getting the smell, but the smell of the wood, absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of sandpaper to take off the edges you take out, and this is the bit that most intrigued me. So that's your film. I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's like a little fella dancing. There is some sellotape, various tools and mechanical parts. Again, I don't know how it's going to go together to create the view. Is there actually even a bulb? Right, I'm just going to have to build it to find out how it works. Right, so let's get on to unboxing the wooden bits, and let's get building it. I just checked everywhere. 2 is where we start. I can't find a 1, although you got the contents page. Whether checking the contents is step 1, but anyway. So stage 2 is all about this. I'm not going to show you the whole thing building it, but I'm just going to give you an idea how it works. So I need F6, D2, D4. So what I do is I find the sheet with the parts with D, and I find the sheet with the parts for F, and we will attach them together. There is also other bits, and I do like the 1-to-1 scale. So if you find the parts, you just lay them on the sheet, and if they match the size, well, you've got the piece. So there they are, F2 F6s and a D2 D4. Alright, so those 2 pieces put together, and it's here where you've got to sand down. You can see where the bits were connected, and you would have had rough edges. Pay particular attention when it says little flowers, it's meaning the picture side with pictures on rather than the blank sides. And also if it says wax, wax and wax thoroughly, because if you don't wax, the parts won't rub together. It's a bit like if it was made out of metal, you'd have oil. Here it's because it's wooden, it's wax. And this again, just to highlight this, look at these pieces, they're so similar in length, but we actually want, is it that one? And that one, and the one at the back. Yep. So it's making sure that they, oh no, it's not that one. It's not that one. But you can see how you can go wrong, and it will just mess up the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wax these 2 thoroughly, because I've already got them out. Wax them thoroughly and then put them together using the right pegs. And then once I've done that bit, it's then just these 2 bits in as well. It comes together really fast, and it's quite straightforward. And what I'm going to do is, rather than show you a 4.5 hour video of me doing every little bit, I'm just going to well, basically skip along and show you at various points how I'm progressing. So let's pull that bit together. Oops, there is a section 1. How did I miss it? Anyway, I don't think it matters that I haven't done it yet. It's just attaching that 3 screws and then tidying up the wire at the back. Let's do that now. Let's pretend I didn't miss that. This is pretty cool. So as it turns, donk, donk, donk. That's the reason why it only turns once every now and then. I know what's doing it. It's the peg. As it goes in, it goes catch and turn. And then it sits there and waits for the next peg to come around. So it's very intricate, very cleverly made. Yeah, so this is ingenious. This is the camera lens. It's got like a little slider and you can slide it backwards and forwards. It's a bit hard one-handed, but obviously that's for like focusing. Oh, that is genius. Absolutely genius. So it's a long way from being finished, but I just put this hand crank on and oh my days, I had to turn it and it was a bit fiddly getting it all into place, and it's not tight yet because there's more bits to go on, but watch as I turn it. So I was right about it being dynamo, just like on my bikes when I was a teenager. A little dynamo as you pedalled. Oh, that is cool. I'm loving it. Right, let's get back to building this thing. Right, so just done this part where I've attached these things on, and I don't like the way it sticks out, but I haven't seen the finished result, so it might be correct. There is a picture of it showing it sticking out just there, so I'm guessing I've not done anything wrong, it just looked wrong with it being bright yellow as well, but we shall see as we go on. It's looking very good. If you want to see it working inside, so that spins round and it's obviously blocking the things. Oh, so clever. Everything about it is so clever. But yeah, just not keen on that. But again, it might all change. It might all change. Let's see. Let's carry on with the build. So this has been a pain in the bum. Yeah, the side bits come off and there's film on both sides that you have to remove, and these little squares then pop out. It's a pain in the bum. I've done my best to follow this, where it says about going behind and under and all this. This one here, I have no idea what it's done, if it's gone in front or behind, but it is pretty much there, and all I've got to do is glue the two ends together. Wish me luck, because then it's done. Okay, so here's the finished model. Doesn't it look grand? The only thing that's left to do is to crank the handle and see how it looks. We're going to project it on the wall and see what we see. So I'm just going to turn the lights off and you can watch the movie that's on it. There's a little animation of Charlie Chaplin doing a little funny little dance and a little walk. The faster you spin it, the faster he goes. The slower you do it, the slower he goes. It's a fun little thing, isn't it? and I like it. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll leave it to Charlie Chaplin to say goodbye to everyone. So, bye bye folks.